Hey everyone, welcome back to Real English Conversations, the podcast where you learn to speak English naturally, one friendly chat at a time. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you're learning English and you want to sound more natural, this episode is perfect for you.
That's right. Today, we're going to talk about your family, how to describe them, talk about what they do, and say simple things about their personality.
And don't worry, everything will be easy, clear, and fun. We'll repeat key words, give examples, and help you practice speaking out loud.
So grab a coffee or tea, relax, and let's practice English together. Oh, and don't forget, if you like learning with us, please subscribe and leave a review. It really helps our little podcast family grow.
All right, let's begin. Let's start with some easy family words. Ready? Repeat after me. Mother, father, sister, brother.
Good. Now, let's make them sound natural. You can also say mom and dad. So, my mom, my dad, my sister, my brother.
Let's make a few sentences together. I have one brother. My mom is very kind. My dad likes music.
Great! These are short and easy sentences you can use every day. Daniel, how many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. My mom, my dad, my sister, and me. What about you, Sarah?
I have a small family. Just my mom, my brother, and me. We're very close.
That's a good word. Close. If your family has a good relationship, you can say, we are a close family.
Yes, let's all say that together. We are a close family.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Now, let's talk about what your family members do. That means their jobs or work.
You can say, my mother is a teacher. My father is a driver. My sister is a student.
Let's make it a little more fun. Daniel, what does your mom do?
My mom is a nurse. She works in a hospital.
That's great. My mom is a teacher. She teaches children at a school.
See, it's simple. You can use the pattern, my blank is a blank. Try it, everyone. My brother is a student, doctor, artist. Say it out loud.
Nice work. And if someone doesn't work, you can say, my grandmother is retired, or my brother is looking for a job.
Perfect. Short, clear, and natural English.
Now let's describe what your family members are like. We can use adjectives like kind, funny, quiet, smart, friendly, talkative, helpful.
Let's practice some sentences. My sister is funny. My dad is quiet. My mom is kind.
Good job. Let's play a little game. I'll say a sentence, and Daniel will guess who I'm talking about. She is very funny. She always makes me laugh.
Your brother?
No, my aunt. She tells the best jokes.
Nice. Okay, my turn. He's very smart. He loves reading books.
Your dad?
Yes, good guess.
See, listeners, you can describe people with short, clear sentences. Let's say a few together. My mom is kind. My brother is funny. My dad is hardworking.
Excellent. You're improving already.
Now, let's talk about what your family does together.
Yes, you can say things like, we eat dinner together. We watch TV in the evening. We go for a walk on weekends.
My family likes to watch movies together every Friday. It's movie night.
That sounds fun. My family cooks together on Sundays. My dad makes soup, and I help him cut vegetables.
So, listeners, think about your family. What do you do together? Maybe you eat, talk, or travel. Say one sentence now. We blank together.
Good job. You're speaking English right now. That's amazing.
Yes, and remember, even short sentences help you build confidence.
Exactly. Practice a little bit every day and you'll get better fast.
Okay, let's do a short, real conversation about family. Listen first, then we'll talk about it together.
Hey, Sarah, how many people are in your family?
There are 3 people in my family: my mom, my brother, and me.
What does your mom do?
She's a teacher. She loves working with kids.
That's great. What about your brother?
He's a student. He studies computer science.
Nice. What do you do together as a family?
We cook dinner together and watch movies. It's fun. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Let's repeat some parts.
There are 3 people in my family.
My mom is a teacher.
We watch movies together. Perfect. Let's do one more quick conversation, and you can repeat after us.
Daniel, is your family big?
Not really. There are 4 people in my family.
What do you do together?
We eat dinner together and go to the park on weekends.
That sounds lovely.
Yeah, we're a close family.
Now, repeat after us.
We're a close family.
We go to the park on weekends.
You're doing amazing. Keep practicing. Your confidence is growing.
All right, everyone, let's do a quick recap of today's key phrases.
Repeat after us, slowly and clearly. There are 4 people in my family.
My father is a driver.
My sister is funny.
We eat dinner together.
We're a close family.
Awesome work. You've learned how to talk about family, how many people, their jobs, their personality, and what you do together.
That's right. And remember, keep it simple. You don't need long sentences to sound natural. Short, clear English is perfect for daily life.
Before we go, we have a fun question for you. Who is the kindest person in your family? Tell us in the comments or message us on Instagram. We'd love to read your answers.
We really would. And don't forget to subscribe so you can keep practicing English with us every week.
You're doing such a great job. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
Thanks for listening to Real English Conversations.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.